We've got a busy weather day, a storm system impacting the valley right now. It's already bringing us some rain, but we've got some warm temps and some wind to talk about. The entire area under a wind advisory. This will be in effect through early Friday morning. The highest of the winds expected as we head into this afternoon and into this evening. By this time tomorrow, we'll start to see those wind speeds really decreasing. Here's a look at our current wind speeds. Winds right now locally anywhere from about 5 to 15 miles per hour. It's not overly gusty yet. You may notice a bit of a breeze as you're out the door. As I show you a look at our future wind speeds as we head closer to midday, winds start to pick up, winds sustained 10 to 25 miles per hour throughout the afternoon. At this point, 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts will be possible. Notice as we head into this evening, winds start to back off a bit, and that trend continues right into early Friday morning. Still breezy as you're out the door Friday morning, but those high winds at that point will be done with.